simple ginger curry or Adrak Masala or ginger masala, a beginner's recipe and a 7 ingredient recipe. Today we are going to make simple ginger curry or Adrak Masala or ginger masala. The ingredients are ginger 100 to 150 grams grated, garlic grated, small onions or shallots cut into small pieces, and 2 to 3 ripe chillis dried. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the mustard seeds or so. Put in the dried ripe chili. Put in the salt. Put in the garlic. Salt. Salt for 5 to 6 minutes until the shallots turn golden brown. Now the onions have become golden brown. Now we can put in the ginger. Keep on sauteing the ginger and the other ingredients. Put in 15 ml of water and salt and crush the ingredients. This so that the ingredients slowly dissolve. Into a uniform smooth mash. Pour in water as needed, 10 to 15 ml at a time. Pour in tamarind water into the mixture. This is made by putting around 25 to 30 grams of tamarind in water and keeping it for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that getting rid of the juice. This Around 50 to 60 ml of this mixture is poured into the other ingredients. Now mix the ingredients that we sorted into the mixture. And let the mixture boil for 10 minutes. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Now put in the curry leaves and stir. Now stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the ginger curry is nearly done and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final ginger curry or simple ginger curry or Adrak Masala, a beginner's recipe and a 7 ingredient recipe. Ginger is basically a good aid for digestion, and it has somewhat a property to modify insulin resistance in type 2 diabetes. Hence, this is quite a healthy recipe. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the notification button.